Oh, this is our dinner for today. Vegetables, steamed fish, pork chop, and mussels. Mussels daw yan, guys. Pero tahong yan sa Pilipinas. Mussels, tahong. Mussels pala nila, guys, tahong. That's our dinner. Okay. Yan na, guys, talaga. Init talaga dito sa around the world. Yan ang ating dinner. March. Ay, ano sa bunga yan, guys? April 20. April 20. 2024. Ang hirap, guys, magluto na hindi mo alam ang lulutuin mo. Pero, pag nandyan, alam mo na. Alam mo na yan. Kaya yan na nga masabi ko sa inyo, guys. Enjoy watching to all my friends. I love you, guys. And then we will cooking also. We're still boiling our soup, guys. Wow, it's so yummy. This is the time of your soup na. Enjoy watching tayo na, mga baka. Enjoy kayo dyan, mga langka. I'm still walking. I'm busy to work now. We're just watching only our food for today. Dinner for today. This is our dinner. Mr. Mussels daw to. Ano daw? Mussels. Fish, steamed fish, vegetables, and pork chop. Enjoy tayo, mga guwapito, mga guwapito. Look at that, very near. Mr. Mussels daw ito, guys, mussels. Ito yung tahong, Pilipinas. Yan, pero sa Canada, from Canada. And also, this is steamed fish, and vegetables, and pork chop. Guys, look at that, so yummy. Look at that. So yummy, guys. Enjoy watching. Yummy, yummy. Yummy, yummy. Ano sabi na yummy? I love fish, you know. Fish is very important to me. I love fish. I'm done cooking. I just prepare also, guys, the plate, the spoon, and the pork for the shalala, 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 shalala. Yes. Enjoy watching them, guys. That's I prepare dinner, guys. This is the April 20, 2024. I prepared dinner for my employers. Of course, it's also for me. Yeah, guys, mussels, daw to mussels, but this is tahong. And also pork, vegetables, and steamed fish, guys. And to all my friends, I'm not feeling well. My nose is like a runny nose and a little fever, but I'm okay. Did you hear my voice is like this? And to all my subscribers, my friends, my silent viewers, even yung hindi ko subscribers na nanonood sa akin, shout out po sa inyong lahat. Mega love shout out. I appreciate po talaga po na I'm appreciated. Sorry. I appreciated you always watching, and even all my friends always watching my videos. Thank you a lot, guys. Kung wala kayo dito, if you're not there, I'm not here. Just kidding. Did you hear my voice? My voice, guys, is not good now because I don't know what happened to me. Just Tuesday I go out. Tuesday or Wednesday, guys. I just go out, and then outside is very hot. I'm so sweating, and then when I go back home, I open the aircon because I am very sweaty, very hot. And then after that, I open the aircon, and then when I sleep also, of course, the aircon is open because also it's very hot now. No winter now here in Hong Kong. Oh my God. Because I'm so sweating, I think my sweating is become dry in my body, and I'm like this now. I have runny nose, a little bit only, and also a little itching, a little coughing, but not coughing much, just little sometimes. Yeah, that's all, guys. And now my voice like on the ground, but I'm still drinking. What's this? I drink also medicine and also some herbal tea and also vinegar. I drink also like that. And I have another last day. I make myself like I boiled water, and then I go inside my blanket and stay there. Yeah, and then all sweating, guys. Enjoy watching. I know what may always be. Thank you so much, guys. I appreciate talaga, guys. Naka-video lang ko ngayon kasi hindi tapos na. Pero mabisi talaga ko, guys, within 1 month, 2 months na, kasi syempre nandito yung alaga natin. Dumating yung alaga natin galing sa England, UK ba yun? England ba yun? Nag-vacation sila, guys, kaya matagal sila dito, pero aalis na mamaya yung pangalawa, yung panganay ng linggo din, ito ngayon Sabado. Sadyari na ate ko talaga masyado mabisi, yung ilan na punta sa akin, punta talaga, sinasabi ko naman ang pupunta sa kanil babaka yun na kaya kung po yan, kasi comment yung alam na nanonood kayo kasi nood naman talaga ako nyo, guys, kahit napunta kayo sa friend na panood ko yung video at talaga akong live kayo sa amin, kasi ako na lang nagsasabay 9 am until 5 am, ganon, guys. Hanggang ngayon bising bilang talaga, pasensya talaga dyan sa lahat pupunta na hindi ko napupuntan kasi nagsastart ako ngayon ng from 4 o'clock until nagsastart busy talaga, guys, nga ano ka talaga yung kasi nandito yung alaga mo, of course siyempre priority mo sila, hindi mo priority ang cellphone kasi siyempre mahal amo, diba, guys, kasi meron tayong amo, hindi naman tayo amo, diba, guys, lang yan. Kaya enjoy watching. Maraming salamat po sa inyong lahat na pumupunta. Alam niyo po kung sino po kayo. Salamat po. At kung sino yung pupunta king pray, thank you so much din po. God bless. Always connect, always good health. God bless. Take care always yourself or your health. Because now my health is like I have, what's this? I don't know what you call this, like, kataro. I don't know how to this. You say right, boys. I don't know why I have like this. I catch the cold. From outside, I go inside and open the aircon. Yeah, that's the problem. It's not good. That's why I told you guys, if you outside so sweating too much at outside, don't go inside the room and open the air. Just stay outside in the living room or the kitchen. Don't go inside the room and open the air. Yeah, that's not good, guys, to your body, to your health. Because I try now. This is the one I know. If you are sweating, no need to go inside the room and open aircon because you feel hot, you're sweating. It's not good, guys. Yeah, enjoy watching mga langga ko. Salamat na maraming salamat sa inyo taga. Thank you so much, guys. To those who's coming my videos, watching my premiere. Thank you a lot, guys. I love you guys. Enjoy watching and God bless us. More power. Enjoy. God bless. Okay. Tahong, pork chop, vegetables, and steamed fish.